In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents to DocuSign. We'll start right from the DocuSign Send page so you can get a document ready for signature quickly and confidently. Open DocuSign in your browser and sign into your account. From there, you'll be on the screen where you prepare a new envelope, which is just DocuSign's term for a package that contains your document and your recipients. Next, upload your file. Click the Upload button, then choose where your file lives. If it's saved locally, select Desktop in your file picker, browse to the document, and open it. You can also drag and drop the file straight onto the page if that's faster. If your document is stored in the cloud, you can import it from services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. Once the file appears, take a second to confirm it's the correct version and that the page count looks right. Now add the person who needs to sign. Click Add Recipient. In the highlighted fields, type the signer's name and email address. If you see suggestions from your address book as you type, pick the correct contact to save time and reduce typos. When your recipient is set, move forward by choosing. Next, add fields. This opens the tagging screen, where you'll place the interactive fields the signer completes. On the left toolbar, select the signature field. Click directly on the document where the signature should go. If your form needs more than one signature or initials, click Signature again and place additional fields wherever they're required. Before you move on, double-check that each field is assigned to the correct signer. Use the Recipient drop-down at the top of the tagging area or the Fields Assignment menu. If the wrong person is selected, switch it to the intended signer so the envelope routes properly. While you're here, you can add other helpful tags like Date Signed or text fields for items such as titles or notes. Place them near the signature so everything is easy for your signer to complete in one pass. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email your recipient a secure link to review and sign. You can monitor progress from your account, and you'll receive a notification once the document is completed. If you ever need to make a quick correction, like moving a field or updating a recipient, you can do that from the envelope status page without starting over. That's it. You've uploaded your document, added your signer, placed the fields, and sent it out for signature with DocuSign.